Hey everybody. Alright. I know y'all enjoyed that episode of Jeopardy, okay? You know what? James Holzhauer almost lost today. I thought it was it for him today. I thought Adam was a giant killer. All I say was if James would have lost today, I wanted Jasmine to win. I was rooting for James and Jasmine, So Adam made a big wager today. Could have took the lead away from James. Adam almost won. He almost became a giant killer like Alex Trebek say. Yes, indeed. I wonder how many of y'all people that were surprised about this. I was surprised. I didn't expect him to miss that first daily double. I barely expect him to I'm like, come on, wagered a lot. I'm surprised he didn't risk it all, but he risked it all. His fifth game, it's the first time since James' second game that it wasn't a runaway. Cause his second game, it wasn't a runaway. It wasn't a lock game, Okay, so throughout all his games was a runaway, except this one. Okay, except this one and the second game. Okay, all right. So anyway, I'm about to go finish cooking some pancakes downstairs. Okay, all right, bye.